Super Mario Bros. Encyclopedia, the official guide to the first 30 years, 1985-2015. Let's open it. The Star Edition. You see here, Super Mario Bros. 1988, characters, and the world. It's pretty neat, pretty cool. If you're a fan of Nintendo and Mario, that's a must-have. You have the limited edition, which we just opened here, and the regular edition. That's pretty the same thing. The difference is the boxing. I mean, the cover. Beside that, it's it's the same thing, exactly the same thing inside. Anybody the other one I had fun about it, and I compared it to the same thing. So, see, it's still it's like Super Mario World, 1991 Super Nintendo, I guess. I remember. Yeah. You can see here the worlds. So basically you have the game, and then all the world after that, the characters, and the coin and the app. I mean all the coins and whatever it's in the game. It's focusing, I think. Is it focusing? Autofocus. Matter focus. This is the world. I mean, which one is this? The character. 1992 Super Mario on Game Boy. I think that was my first. No, that was my first Mario play was on Game Boy. First Mario Land. More and more and more. The best Mario 64 for me. You have Odyssey now, but this one was excellent. Very, very, very good game. Mario World, Mario 64. This is World 64. Little toad here, and this is Mario when you leave the controller. You don't touch it for a while. Takes a nap. Mario takes a nap. I think the Odyssey as well takes a nap. Once again, Mario Sunshine. Mario Sunshine. That's a really good game as well. On the GameCube, it's a good game. Splashing everywhere. See here, it's kind of polluted. I don't know why. Mario Sunshine again. It's the characters, other characters, the world. This is the separator. If you want to reading and stuff, see if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but you have the star. I think you have the star because the cover. You have the same star here. The same star is here as well. I don't know about the other editions, or the mushroom, or the flower. They have flower here, but here you have the star. It's neat. It's golden. Yes, the world of Sunshine continuing here, and more, and more, and more. Give me more. Super Mario Bros. 2006 on Nintendo DS. That was, I think, my first Mario game on DS, I think. I didn't have a choice, that's what we had. I guess the 64 remake. You see the character here. The character. This is the character. Is that blur, please? I don't know if there's one character in the game. The world of Mario, Nintendo, Super Mario 3DS. Sorry, the DS. See, when I open it, you get like a blue. Mario Galaxy. The very best game for the Wii. Mario Wii. Actually, all of them are good. All of them are good. All the Marios, I think, are very good. Other characters for Mario. Mario. It's me. The world, all worlds again. It's the same template. You see, you have the poster of the game, and then the characters. Other characters actually. With the characters, you have the main characters. You have them in the game, and you have characters. Other characters, maybe the one that appears in the new game. Each new game. That's a pretty cool poster here. And more. Luigi and Mario. 2009. It's Super Mario Bros. Wii. The new Super Mario Bros. Wii. I didn't play it much. I felt it's repetitive. Sorry for people who loved it, but I need something new. So yes, that's the new Super Mario. The world again, the world is mine. And again, if you hear the scratch from the papers again, I think I don't know why. 2010 Super Mario Galaxy, very good game on the Wii. Let's see the. Yes, the characters, the power-ups, the enemies. White spot, it's cool. The world again and again. Sorry for the scratchy world. Wow. Paper I love. Again here, and more. 2011, Mario 3D World. That's a really good game. I loved it. Oh, this one is on the DS. I played it, but I didn't finish it. But I played it on the Wii U. I love that game. It was on Christmas, and I played it non-stop. It's really good. The world. Oh, that becomes annoying here. It's okay. It's all good. It's okay. Don't worry. We'll be back together. Mario Wii. Oh, that's the special edition 25th. I missed it, but it's okay. I have t-shirts. Super Mario Bros. 2. The new Super Mario Bros. The new of the new Mario Super Bros. I didn't play this one. It's the same 2D. I'm not that fan now of the 2D games. Mario 2D. I prefer 3Ds. And you see here again the characters. And this one you have new characters, which is Mario. Other characters here. Again, the world. Everything again, same template again, following icons. I mean the other stuff. Papers in Love. You have Papers in Love, all squeezed. 2012. This one, another new Super Mario U, Super Mario Bros. U, Super New. Another one. Yeah, same one. Yeah, it's a cool game. It's a family game, I think. You play 4 people at the same time, jump here and here. I liked it. Like I said, 2D 2D version is cool, but I was waiting for something else. From 3D World to this, I was kind of disappointed, but it's okay. This one is good. This one is really good. I loved it. I loved it. It's like a never-ending Mario. You think you finished it, and then you have another world. You think you finished it, you have another world. It's a really, really good game. I loved it. Again, the characters, other characters, but not that one. Another paper in love here. Let's separate them for a while. The world, the world, the world, the world, and more, 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 more. Yes, more. Give me more. Oh yes, sir. And here again, you have a summary of all the game. They don't have the Mario Odyssey here because I think the game was the book was released before. Would be cool. It'd be cool if it had like a little section of it, but we don't have it here. We have only the last one is Mario 3D World. I think it's finished with the Wii U. We celebrate 30 years old. 30 years of Mario. And that's it. That's the book. It's I love it. I love it. I don't know what's rare, what's not, but I was unfortunate to get this one because I wanted this one or the mushroom, and I got the star because I am a superstar. Yes. Goodbye.